Hey love, welcome and thanks for tapping in. It's your girl Brandy, the content queen, teaching you my content basics with a central twist for branding and business. And today we are going to learn how to layer text. So if you're ready to get started, then continue watching. So here we are inside my go-to editing platform, Canva. I've been with Canva for a number of years. However, there are so many other editing platforms out there. You just gotta find the best one that works for you. However, the reason why Canva works so great for me is because one, it's super user-friendly, two, very easy to navigate, and three, Canva gives you a ton of access to images, videos, and other premium content, even with just the free plan. So once you have logged into your Canva account, your dashboard is going to pull up just like this. And we are going to play off of a design concept that I came up with a few months ago for a potential coffee company or coffee shop. So right over here is the concept that I came up with, and I'll go ahead and take it to the full screen. And she's called Bad and Bougie Brew, and she is bougie AF. So I just love her. I love the concept. I just think it's super, super cute. But as you can see, there is some layering between the word and this beautiful element and the words bad and bougie. So this is great, especially if you want to add some dimension to your design, especially for your logo or your business card or any kind of brand packaging that you might have. All right, so we're going to play off of this concept. So in order to start creating, we're going to come up here to the right-hand side, the right-hand corner, and we're going to select the Create a Design button, just like that. All right, so just for fun, let's just go ahead and do logo. And we're going to select the first one because we're just going to keep it nice and simple and start from a basic scratch logo without any template or anything. All right, and then once she has populated and you are ready to add your text or whatever it is that you want to put in your design, you're going to come over here to your left-hand side and you're going to scroll all the way down to the text option and select the text option. And then once you're ready and that is populated, you're going to come up here and add a text box. You're going to click on the Add a Text Box button. Okay, let's take this up just a little bit so we can see what we are doing. All right, so we are going to type in bad and bougie. And let's change this text to the text that we used when we created this concept, which is play fair display. Oops. I meant to change all of it, but anytime you want to change all of the text, you're just going to select the change all button and it will change all of it. I didn't realize that only part of it was highlighted. All right, so just a bonus tip right there. All right, so we have our words that we want to use, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to play around with your alignment. Anytime you want to adjust the alignment, you're going to come up here to the top of your toolbar and select the alignment option. Once you have that ready to your liking, if you want to enhance or diminish the spacing between your letters or your words, you're going to select the text box and you're going to come up here to the right side of your toolbar and you're going to select the spacing option with the arrow and the 3 lines. All right, so you can either enhance or decrease the letter spacing, or you can either enhance or decrease the line spacing, which we are going to do right now. So I'm going to decrease the line spacing and I'm going to take this down just a notch and I'm going to have it overlap just a little bit like that. All right, so once you have found the spacing to your liking, just make any other necessary adjustments that you might want and then place it wherever you would like to. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add one more text box and we're gonna write the brew. All right, we'll place you right there. And then we'll put it to the text that we used and we created the original concept. Again, we're just playing off of it. We're not doing exactly the way that it was. All right, so with this one, I'm gonna focus on creating the spacing between the words. So again, I'm gonna come up to the spacing option of the toolbar, and I'm going to enhance the letter spacing. And then position it to where I want it. All right. Okay, so once you have your text or any necessary stuff that you want within your design and you're ready to create or add the element to it, you're gonna come over here to your left-hand side and you're gonna scroll up to Elements and you're gonna select the Elements option. Okay, so a whole bunch of elements will populate for you. However, if you're looking for something specific, you're gonna come up to the search bar and you're gonna type in what it is that you're looking for. So I'm looking for an and sign, and that is going to be under graphics. Okay, if you want to narrow down your search, you can go ahead and scroll at the top right here. Oops, I don't want that. I got ahead of myself. There we go. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and scroll through here. All right, so we have a huge number of options to choose from for the and sign. All right, and then just as a heads up again, anytime you see a feature or an element that has the crown next to it, that means that it's only included in the Pro plan, okay? So I'm gonna select this guy right here, super cute. I think this is a pretty bougie and sign. Okay, so as you can see, the and is in front of the words bad and bougie. But I want the and to go behind the words bad and bougie like that. So how do we get there? How do we do that? All right, so if I want to place the element behind the words, what you're gonna do is you're gonna select the element and you're gonna come up here to the right side of your toolbar and you're gonna select the position option. Okay, so depending on what direction you want the element to go, in this case, I want the element to be behind the words bad and bougie. So I'm gonna click backward, and that is going to place the element backwards or behind the words bad and bougie. So now we have a beautiful bougie and sign, but then I also am able to see the words bad and bougie. Okay, so once you have positioned the layers to your liking, depending on the element, sometimes you'll be able to change the coloring. So if you want to change the coloring at all, you're just going to select the element, come up to the color box on the left side of your toolbar, click on that bad boy, and then you're going to scroll through the colors that you want. Otherwise, you can come here and create your own color. All right, so we want to do more of a coffee color. So I'm going to get into the browns over here. All right, that's like a kind of like a toffee color, I feel. All right, but you get the point. So once you are done, go ahead and do a double take and go ahead and enhance your picture. And if you are satisfied with your design, you are going to come up here to the top of the right-hand corner and select the share button. And then from here, you can either download it or print your design onto any kind of product, any kind of physical product that you want it printed on. But other than that, that is it for today's video on how to layer text. So if this video has helped you at all, be sure to click the link below. Get started with Canva today so that you can start adding layer to your design and have fun. All right, so thank you so much for tapping in. And remember, if your content does not turn you on, you are doing it wrong. This is Brandy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.